morning, dear students and parents. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Student, I hope you all have completed your homework. In previous class, we learned about the shape of the earth. What is the shape of the earth? It is in spherical shape, and its topmost point is called the North Pole and its bottommost point is called the South Pole, and it is tilted on its axis at 23.5-degree angle. Right, students, today we are going to start block 17, lesson plan 2. And what is our today's topic? Our today's topic is the sun. And with the resources for today's class are content book, notebook and workbook. Keywords for today's class: sun. Sun, it is a ball of fire and gases. Sunlight, the light which we get from sun. Solar cooker, gases. These are the keywords for today's class. Now I'm going to sing a song. Listen this song very carefully, students. You give us light and make you things grow. You give us light and make you things grow. At dawn and sunset, well, you hung real low. You are a star closest by far. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire. Students, just now you have listened the song. What is the song telling you about? The song is telling us about the sun. Why does the song say you are a star? And why does it say you make things grow? Just think about it. Means all these things we are talking about in the song about the sun only. Yes, students, so what is our today's topic? Our today's topic is the sun. So what is our today's aim, student? To conclude about the sun, means why sun is an important part of universe. This is our today's aim, to conclude that the sun is an important part of universe. Means today we are going to find out why the sun is an important part of our universe. जो हमारा universe है, हमारा ब्रह्मांड है, sun उसका important part क्यों है और कैसे है. Means हमारा solar system होता है, उसमें क्या होता है, many planets are there, sun is there, earth is there. So sun is the most important part of our solar system. Student, to find out this, why the sun is a star and why it is an important part of our universe, we are going to do an activity. In this activity, what will you do? You will think who need the sun and why do they need the sun. You will write these questions like this in your notebook and then you will write the answers. Now it's time for discussion part. In the activity, I gave you 2 questions to do. I hope you all have written the answer of these questions. The question was, who need the sun? Why do they need the sun? Who need the sun, student? We need the sun. We need sunlight. And why do they need the sun? Why do we need the sun? When the wet clothes are kept under the sunlight, they dry faster, right, students? And in the winter season, we sit in sunlight to keep our body warm. And plants also prepare their food in the presence of sunlight. Birds and animals come out in the day to look for food, and the sunlight makes the day bright and pleasant. Where does the sun get heat from? The sun is a huge ball of very hot gases, and these gases burn to produce heat and energy. Next question is, why is the sun important for us? Why is the sun important for us? As we discussed in the previous question, if we keep the wet clothes under the sunlight, it dry faster, right? किस तरह से ये कपड़े इतनी जल्दी सूख जाते हैं? Why? Because the sunlight gives us heat, and because of this heat, the wet clothes dry faster. We and other animals depends on plants for our food. Plants need sunlight to make their food. We and other animals depend on plants for our food. Thus, the sunlight is an important part of our life. The sun is important for all living things, because all living things depends on the plants, because we get our food from plants and plants depends on sunlight. Plants depend on sunlight to make their food. So, sun is the very important part of our life. These days there are cars running using the energy from the sun, and we can also cook our food in the presence of sunlight. An appliance that is used to cook food in the sunlight, it is called the solar cooker. Means solar cooker नाम का appliance होता है which we use to prepare our food in presence of sunlight. Yes, who needs the sun? Humans and plants. Human being need the sun for many purposes, like sun gives us heat and light, and we use the sunlight to cook food, like a solar cooker. It is a kind of appliance which we can use to prepare our food in the presence of the sunlight. Run cars. Nowadays cars are also there. These cars are running by using the energy from the sunlight. And dry clothes, and our clothes get dried faster in the presence of the sunlight. And nowadays solar panels are also used, which we are using to produce electricity. मीन्स जिस तरह से हम इन्वर्टर्स की बैटरी का यूज़ करते हैं, उसी तरह से सोलर पैनल्स लगाए जाते हैं और वो सोलर पैनल सनलाइट में दिन में चार्ज हो जाते हैं, एंड वी कैन यूज द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी दैट इज मेड बाय दिस सनलाइट. And plants also need the sun. Why? Because they use sunlight to prepare their own food. Now it is time for the HOTS, the higher order thinking question. What would be different if there was no sun? And what can you conclude about the sun? What would be different if there was no sun? Have you ever thought about this thing? If there was no sun, what would happen? If there was no sun, we would not be able to experience a bright day, right? There would be darkness everywhere, right? And there would be always cold, and we would not be able to experience the summer, क्योंकि जो सनलाइट हमें मिलती है उसी से हमें क्या है, हीट और एनर्जी मिलती है. हमारे अर्थ पे उसी से हीट और एनर्जी आती है, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस सनलाइट वी are experiencing the summers and winter, and we all are experiencing the daytime and the night time. If there was no sun, we would not be able to experience the daytime and the summers. Plants would not be able to prepare their food, and they would die. If the plants would die, we would not be able to get any food, and so we can say without the sun there would be no life on the earth. Why the sun is called a star? Why the sun is called a star? Because the stars are the space object which produce energy. So sun is also, it is a ball of fire and gases, and these gases continuously burn to produce the heat and energy. That is why the sun is called the star. Now open page number 3 of your content book. Let's summarize our today's topic, the sun. The sun is a huge ball of hot gases. It gives us heat and light. It is important for all living things. Life on earth would not be possible without the heat and light of the sun. As we discussed in the discussion part also, plants need sunlight to make food. The heat of the sun makes water evaporate from the earth. This water forms clouds and comes down as rain. The heat from the sun also helps us to dry our clothes and other things. We use the sun's heat to cook food and heat water. There are some cars too that use the energy from the sun to run. Students, the sun, as I told you in the discussion part also, the sun is the huge ball of hot gases, and these gases continuously burn to produce the heat and energy. It is important for all living things, as I told you in the higher order thinking question also, because that there would be no life without the sun. And plants also need sunlight to make their food. The heat of the sun makes water evaporate from the earth. How is it possible? ये कैसे होता है? As the water, when the rain water comes on the earth, it is collected in the water bodies, different water bodies like the ponds, the lakes and the rivers, and slowly this water is evaporated by the sunlight, and the evaporated water changes into the clouds, and through these clouds we again get the rain. So this water cycle happens just because of the sunlight. The heat from the sun also helps us to dry our clothes and other things. We use the sun's heat to cook food and heat water. There are some cars nowadays, we are using the cars also, which are using energy from the sunlight. Now it's time for application. You will do S2, that is given on page number 6 in your workbook. Now open page number 6 of your workbook. The sun. Change the circle to a sun. Write a few words to describe the sun. Here one circle is given. You will label this and you will write some words to describe the sun. Question number 2. Why is the sun important? You will write here some points about the sun. Why is the sun important for us? Question number 3. Imagine if there was no sun, how would it affect life on the earth. Let's move to the homework part. Do practice question number 3 and 4 on page number 6 in your content book. Question number 3 is, what are the features of the sun? And question number 4, how is the sun important for humans? This you can write on your own. What are the features of the sun? You can say that sun is a huge ball of hot gases, and these gases continuously burst to produce heat and energy. So this kind of features you can write. And how is the sun important for human beings? Right, to use the energy we are using. Sun gives us heat and light used to cook food, to run the cars, and for many more things. And plants also need the sun, as the plants may prepare their food in the presence of sunlight. At last, to conclude our today's topic, the sun. The sun is a huge ball of very hot gases, and these gases burst to produce heat and energy. That's what, and the sun is an important part of human beings as well as plants. Human beings use sun to run cars, to get heat and energy, and for the bright daylight के लिए भी हमें sun की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. And plants also need the sun, as plants make their food in the presence of sunlight. So sun is the important part of universe. Now students, be ready for the next class. Resources for the next class: content book, notebook and workbook. Thank you. Have a nice day.